Battery is a source of electrochemical cells that can be used directly to produce an electric current. The basis of electrochemical cell is oxidation and reduction reaction. There are certain characteristics of batteries. It should be compact, it should be light. The variation of voltage should not take place during its use. It should have a long shelf life. There are two types of batteries, one which is known by the name of primary batteries, second one are secondary batteries. Primary batteries only work once, after that they become dead. It cannot be recharged. Examples are dry cell and mercury cell. Secondary batteries can be again recharged just by passing electric current. Lead storage cell, nickel cadmium cell, the inverter which we are using at our home are examples of secondary batteries. The dry cell, it is commonly known by the name of Lagrange cell. It consists of zinc vessel which work as a anode. It is surrounded by that of a paste of ammonium chloride and little zinc chloride. There is a rod in the center which is made up of carbon which work as a cathode. It is surrounded by manganese dioxide and carbon. The cathodic reaction and anodic reaction takes place. At anode, oxidation of zinc takes place. It is converted in the form of zinc ion with the loss of electron. At cathode, ammonium chloride and manganese dioxide are reduced. MnO2 is converted in the form of Mn2O3. It is converted from +4 oxidation state to +3 oxidation state, and there is a release of ammonia gas takes place. This ammonia gas combined with zinc to form a complex that is diamine zincate. It is formed. The voltage of 1.5 to 1.25 volt is produced in this cell. It is commonly used in transistors, etc. watches. There is a new type of cell which is known by the name of mercury cell. This mercury cell is used in hearing aids. It is used in calculator. This cell is amazing in this manner that its potential remains constant throughout the life. Anode is a zinc amalgam with that of a cathode of a paste of mercuric oxide with little carbon, and electrolyte is a paste of KOH and ZnO. The at anode reaction takes place. Zinc reacts with electrolyte to form zinc oxide with the release of 2 electrons. At cathode, mercuric oxide is only reduced to convert in the form of mercury. If we see the overall reaction, there is no ion in the overall reaction and its potential remains constant. It produces a potential of 1.35 volt which remains constant throughout the life. The next type of cell is lead storage cell, about which I am going to tell you just now.